Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Hey, I hope you're doing well. Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Xauusd, and welcome to some live session here. First of all, not financial advice. All content is provided for opinion purposes only. Trading involves risk. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Alright, guys. No financial advice. Not financial advice. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, whatever it is. Hope you're doing well, guys. Hello, Maxi. Hello, M7. Hello, Paldo at Calbo, Gilbert, Merdin, Bond. How you doing, man? Hello, Jakar. Yo, Morty. Yo, hey, Mike, dude. Yeah, sup, bro. Solid Callisto. Kai Canon. Hello. Here for the pips. Let's go, Mike. You see exactly what I said in VIP. There's no trade, right, Mike? Like, I told you, like, we went up to my sell zone and then boom. See? Straight down to my buy zone again. So, guys, today might just be scalping. I'm for the first time I am just like, probably we're just gonna range here, have a nothing burger until CPI tomorrow. We are ranging hard. We went up to 5,073, 5,076, 5,078, 5,079, and then down to 5,046, 5,050, 5,050, 5,052, 5,052, and now 5,055. And you are right here at my buy zone. So if we get a 15-minute bullish closure here, I will just buy up to 74, I guess, because like there's literally nothing to do. We didn't break it during Asia session. We didn't break it during New York session yesterday. We didn't break it during London session this morning, and we didn't break it here now with New York session open or the stock market open for that reason. So yeah, hello, man. I see sell. Yo, Abu, what's up, man? You see both buy and sell. You can buy here, you can sell here, bro. Like, it's literally 100 pips or 200 pips. Hello, let's go. AFM, how's it going? Good to see you all, guys. So yeah, basically This is what I'm seeing. You can buy from 50 to 40. You can sell from 70 to 80. That's it. So if we close here bullish on the next 5, I can buy up here and then I can sell down again. 5,030. Why do you see 5,030 suddenly? Because you want this to be taken out as well, or what? You can see here, bro. 730. You were down here at 50. The day before that, you were down here doing New York session. You were down here at the Asia. You were down here at the Asia Open. You were down here at the London session. 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 You are down here now at the New York Open, bro. I don't really see this move before CPI tomorrow. To be honest, guys, this is just nothing burger and we can just sell and buy. 4,940 for fib retracement 1 hour. Yeah, maybe tomorrow, bro. But like, you know, we have ranged for 3 days. You know what I mean? You're not gonna break this. You're not gonna get anywhere before CPI tomorrow. I don't believe so. Unless the unemployment claims is gonna move the market now. So yeah, basically I'm just waiting for this 5 here to see where we're gonna close and then probably gonna sell or buy. Yeah. The last time we were here, we took out the range here, we took out the range here. Last time we were here, we took out the range here, we took out the range here. So I guess you can take out the range here, you can take out the range here, and then you can come back into the range. So maybe sell from 80, 90, maybe buy from 40, 40, 45, something like that. You can see here again, bro, tap the 50, tap my buy zone, went straight up to the midpoint. Past the midpoint, going up to the sell zone again. Just nothing. Sorry guys if I seem a little bit annoyed, but it's just like we're just ranging, bro. Nothing is happening. I haven't made any money this week. Any money. $0. When the market doesn't move, I make nothing because I don't scalp. It's scalping. Midday is good afternoon in Africa. Yo, what up? Midday is good afternoon in Africa. Really? That true? Going good on this side. Nice. Nice. So we're at the midpoint, guys. So if you're in buys, you can buy it up to 73, 74, I guess, or buy it up to the high here. 2 minutes until the 5-minute closure. See if we can take out this high. Waiting for Friday inflation claims in US. Yeah, I know, man. I know. Just horrible when the market doesn't move. Like, not making money for a week, you know? That's tough, you know? That's tough. It forces me to do scalping, and I just hate scalping. That means I have to look at the market all the time. I prefer going live for New York session, trade a little bit on my own in the background, trade a little bit on copy trading, and then be done with trading, you know, after New York session. That's it. And then I just keep my trades. I see we have a strong trend going line from Monday morning, close to this now. Yep. Nice music playing. Thank you, Leon. I guess it's some kind of country, K-pop, something. I don't know. I'm trying to find out some good music, but it's impossible with epidemic music. Like, I miss Spotify, guys, but I can't use Spotify. It's not allowed. I get copyright strike. All right. So 5-minute closure, bullish closure above here. Do we have any fair value gap? Do we have any order block? Do we have anything? Not really. Did we break? Did we get a higher high here in the 15? No, we did not. We didn't even get a higher high. So yeah, it's just racing. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. 5 minutes. Push there. Retest here. 65, coming back down here. Back in there. Think. Wait. Closing below or above it. Okay. Closing above it or what? Yeah. I guess, guys, we can... Didn't close yet. 5 closed here. 1 minute here. See. Does it hold it? No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Just 50% there. This one is about closed there. Yeah. I'm just gonna... I cannot. The risk to reward is not good enough. I cannot, man. It's literally, it's 100 pips or 200 pips. Let's see. It's 56 to 74. It's 180 pips. So the risk to reward should be 70 pips on each side. So that means 70 pips would be here. That's 70 pips. That's gonna be 60, 70, 60. Okay. So the 70, 70. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. I can't. Too narrow. Too narrow. It's too narrow. It's too narrow. It's too narrow. We're already at the buy zone again. We're already at the buy zone again. Huge. Bro, why don't you just look at something else to trade live when you don't get any good setups on gold? Because I only trade gold, man. I only trade gold. I do long-term trading Bitcoin. We tried to do GBP USD one day, but we barely moved any pips. We made, I think, there was one guy who took the trade with me. We made 15 pips, and then price started consolidating again. And you also know when gold is consolidating here, everything else is consolidating as well. It's you're not gonna really move anywhere before tomorrow. But guys, I will see here if we can close on the 5. Yeah. I will get in here, guys, with the tight stop loss below here. I'll get in with a tight stop loss below here to take it up to the midpoint again. Or buy here, guys. Let me know your entry. So we can only move like 40 pips, I guess. 40, 45, yeah. So stop loss is just gonna be, yeah, 50, 54, I guess. No, 53. That's 70 pips, right? 70 pips. That's 70 pips, yeah. So 70 pips, 69, I guess. Just 55. Yeah, you can take partial on 65 and then take it up to, goes up to 73. So I guess 70. You can take it up to 70. You can take it up to 70, guys. That's all we can do, I guess. If it keeps going, nice. If not, it's what it is. I almost can't do anything here, guys. It's so ridiculous. I feel so trapped, you know? Let's see. We're moving to 20 pips. Let's see if we can take out the midpoint. And then move stop loss. Can you remove the red background? Remove the red background. That's my channel. I can make it in another color if you want. Which color do you want? Which color do you want? See if we can tap 65. Can we tap 65? And we tap 65. Having my buy zone again, 56. There we go. The stop loss is just type below here, guys. 53. I'm just trying to take a little buy up to the sell zone, then we can take a little sell up to down to the buy zone. It's so narrow. I have nothing. I have no movement here to, you know. Let's see. Have my buy zone again. Question is, are we gonna hold it now, or are we gonna try to wake out bottom here? 57. Have my buy zone again. Are we gonna hold it? Yeah, buy zone again. You can tap the midpoint, then I can trail the stop loss. Minutes until 50-minute closure. Make it blue. Okay, you want it blue? Alright. When we're done with this trade, I'll make it blue. I'll make it blue, man. I'll make it blue. I believe I'm sitting here in the 1 minute, 5 minute and looking for 40 pips. Crazy. I never do this, guys. I never do this. But it's like... One minute. What broker do you use? Exclamation mark broker. Okay, let's see if my buy zone is holding. If my buy zone is not holding, guys, then we can look at other trades. Let's see. Okay, took out the bottom wick here. Let's see. Still in. Took out the bottom wick right there. Came down, tapped 53.7. Gonna come down to below 50 now. Let's see if it holds my buy zone. If it doesn't hold my buy zone, I'm gonna wait for another opportunity. But guys, you know I have big stop loss. I'm not used to this. I am really, really not used to this. Really, really not used to this. But this is what I see people do. They just take a little bit of stop loss like this, hold it just below the buy zone and hold it just above the sell zone, and then they hope that this bottom wick will just hold them up like crazy. I can't believe it, but it is what it is. We are still above the buy zone, guys. Still holding the buy zone. We can come up here to the midpoint, then we can trail the stop loss. But then we're probably gonna hit B. We just have to close above the midpoint. $15 just closed. There. Now the push. Liquidity got taken out just below this wick. There we go. Let's see. Can we hold the midpoint? All right. Yeah, hopefully, Oscar, it will fall overall. I'm in sales from the top, but just trying to take small scalps here because the market is literally not moving. Haven't been moving for 2-3 days. Okay, guys, are we starting to get into a little bit of profit? Let's see. Back at entry, back at my buy zone, and we take out the midpoint. Back at the buy zone.
Perfect for you. If you don't like me,
Coming down below the buy point again, buy zone again. Okay, it looks like it's gonna hit the stop loss, guys. So maybe we are done with the buys. It would be great if we can just continue down. But let's see.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, Igor, nice to see you live stream. Hope you're doing well. Let's see. There we go. Okay. So we hit stop loss on this one. We are below my buy zone now. So let's see. But yeah, it was what was it? This was like what was it? 80 pips. 80 pips. So let's see if it comes above my buy zone again. Man, I hope you're doing well as well. Same trade, only I'm short. It's just a scalp, man. It's just a scalp. I'm overall selling. I'm in sales from 90, 84, 73. But I just see this consolidation bullshit. So I'm just, you know, buying up to the midpoint, selling down from the sell zone, selling down to the buy zone, buying up for the midpoint. It's so boring, bro. I really hope it's gonna break the low. I really hope, but I don't think it will before CPI, to be honest. But let's see. It's below my buy zone, guys. It's been 19 minutes of the stock market open, and yeah, we just come up above the buy zone again. All right. Coming up again. Yep. See, I was right. It's gonna go up. It's just this like liquidity spots. Hello, late to the party. Hello, Kamayon. Come on, Mojo. All right, guys. I'm just gonna get in for buy again once it comes up here. So I'm gonna have my buy stop here at 58. If it comes up there, if it doesn't, then we're not gonna hit it. All right, it's below my buy zone. Let's see, can we actually go down here? That would be amazing. Are we just consolidating and come up again? All right, coming up again. Let's see. Yep, coming up again, guys. Be ready. Be ready again. Here we go. Be ready. Stop loss below the low. And let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see here. So that's gonna be... It's gonna be 50 or what? I think so. Same again, right? Hmm. 60. What's the midpoint here? Midpoint is 65. So that's gonna be 70 pips. 70 pips. Then you have the MA here as well. 64. Yeah, I guess we want to come up to this one here, 71. But just gonna reject from there again. I'm gonna put 71, guys, and then I'm gonna put this one here as well. But I don't think it's gonna hold. So once price comes up here, guys, buy stop here at 58, and then your stop loss will be 50. You will have a TP 71 and then 90. Yes, gold going down tomorrow. I hope so. Not drunk. I really, really hope so. I'm in overall sales. I have so many sales, bro. But then when you come here and you see this, bro? Look at this. Going from 78 to 46 to 73 to 52 to 80 to 56 to 84 to 48. Like, it's just a scalper's paradise. I don't scalp. I hate scalping, bro. I just want 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 pips, 10,000 pips. So like, I want breakouts. I'm a reversal breakout trader, and I'm a big overall trend trader. I trade reversals on the daily, weekly, and monthly. And this is just... Yeah. It goes down tomorrow. Where you see the next strong support? 4,000? 4,000? You can see on the daily that you came down here. Yeah. You can see that we came down here to 4,394. 4,400. And then right below it you have the MA here at 4,300. But then after that you have the move all the way here down to 3,983, right? So if price comes down here into the previous breakout from the all-time high, that would be really, really interesting, right? You can come down here. That would be interesting. But could go straight down to 3,972 or 3,862. I wanted to come down and touch the 200 EMA and SMA, bro. I really, really want that. Alright, let's see, guys, if it's just gonna go up to my buy zone again. Bro, it's not gonna go that far down with the geopolitical situation. Excuse me? Excuse me, bro? Were you sleeping when we were here? Just 2nd of February? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days ago? It's not gonna go there. No, for sure. 5,600 down to 4,300. I don't think you can say what gold is gonna do. This here was a 30% move. In my opinion, it's not a correction because we didn't close bearish. We still closed bullish above the highs, so it's still a continuation for the bullish trend. This is just a higher low. But the thing is, this looks like a bear flag, and it looks like a relief rally. Doesn't look like a new all-time high. So I think this is gonna go all the way down into some of these levels here. I don't see this as a new all-time high. But people who are saying like, oh, we're just going back to all-time high. Sure, bro. Sure. We couldn't even break 4,100. We couldn't even break 4,100, man. Should it hold above 5,058 before entry? Yes, it should. Otherwise, I'm interested in sells. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna move much before CPI tomorrow. So I'm just keeping this as the buy. If I want to sell, I have to come up here, right? So let's see. If it comes down here to 47, then you are reaching towards these bottom wicks here. Look at this. Wait, show you. So this was the previous low here, right here, 43. This was the previous low, 45. This was previous low, 47 and 48. So I would be interested to buy if we come down to the 4-hour EMA here and we take out, let's say 44. To take out the Asia low. If you take out the Asia low, you tap the EMA here. Here we go, right there. Let's see. 40 right there. Let's see. Are we gonna hold the EMA? Are we gonna hold the EMA? I think so. Let's take a... Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Do I get a 3-minute bullish candle here? Or are we just gonna continue? Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I'm not in a trade, guys. I'm not in a trade. The only trade we have now is the buy stop at 58. If we come back up. Did tap it, right? Yeah, we did tap it. Alright, guys. I'm gonna take a small trade. Gonna take a small trade here. Taking it back up to the EMA. Just holding it below here. Like we have done all the other days. Okay? I'm gonna enter here. 43 for buys. See what happens. And now 5,043. I'm gonna put the stop loss down to my sell zone. Okay, this is 35. This is my sell stop if we come down there. So let's see if we can do that. Here, put it back here. 50. Let's see. This is where you previously have been going up all the time you were down here. If it breaks here now, that's good. Then we are breaking the levels and we are finally coming down. But I just don't think it's gonna happen before tomorrow with CPI. Again, I just think it's gonna hold the 4-hour EMA and SMA. Let's see. Where's the 35? The 35 is right there. If it comes down to hit my 35, it's gonna hit my sell stop. See. Okay, let me know if you're in. In Tis Gyms. Nice. Let's see. Let's see. $42.5. Look at all these rejection wicks here. Like, guys, look at this. Look at this. It's just a... It's so boring, guys. It's so freaking boring because it's just ranging. It's just ranging. I'm sorry if I seem like I'm just, you know, I'm so sad or anything like that. But it's just... It's so freaking boring. It's so boring. It's just ranging. Did we tap TV1? No, we were like 0.1 pip away. Let's see. Oh, are we actually gonna push through? Are we gonna push through? Are we finally gonna see something? Or are we just gonna do the same bullshit again? See? Again. Jesus. Oh my god. Yeah, there we go. That's it. That's it. Go back up above buy zone, go up to midpoint, go up to sell zone. You can sell again, guys. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Oh, sorry guys. I'm sorry if I seem negative, but it's just so freaking boring. Price goes down to 39, 42, 45, 47, 50, goes back up to 70, 80, 90, goes back down again. Scalper's paradise. You love it. It's your money. Just buy at 30 and 40. Okay? Sell at 7, 80 and 90. That's it. Until CPI tomorrow. Okay, guys. We are almost hitting TP1. And let's see. There you go. TP1. Congratulations. Trail stop loss to just above entry for risk-free trade. There you go. 70 pips. Woohoo! Woohoo! Trading is so hard. I love it. Trading is so hard. Oh my god. I'm a genius. Bullshit. Bullshit. I called it 30. We are not anywhere near 30, my friend. We were coming to 39. I have sell stop at 35. If you break 37, 35, I'm gonna be in sells, man. I'm not interested in this bullshit. Guys, this is a nothing burger. We have been ranging for 3 days in a row, and you're not gonna move before CPI tomorrow. So you can just literally sell and buy at the same freaking level all the time. Even unemployment claims were a nothing burger. Look at this. We were having 32 last time. We got 27. Guess what? 27 is positive for gold and negative for USD. But then again, the forecast was 22. So it's above 22, but it's below 32. Guess what? Nothing burger. Okay, congratulations. What times will you be back on? TB1 Smack? Let's go, baby. You're welcome. I am live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, bro. But I am a breakout trader. I'm a reversal trader. I just trade long term. I trade 1,000 pips, 2,000 pips, 3,000 pips, 10,000 pips. It's just, but this is just, oh, you know, like it's. You know, like it's so freaking boring. Like Oscar, you were like, oh, it's going down, man. No, it's just going down to the previous 1 hour wick. Like, Mike, you see what I mean? Mike, are you still here, bro? You see what I mean? What was the previous week? 1 hour wick, 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 1 hour wick. Guys, you can literally just buy here and you can sell here. Like that's it. That's how boring it is. Scalper's paradise. Scalpers, they love this. They eat this for breakfast. It's so like, oh, I'm genius. I'm buying at the bottom. I got a triple bottom here with a wick fill liquidity. We got an order block here. You know, the sellers were exhausted. They came down here. We came down here at the New York session open and the stock market open. We took out the London low. We took out the Asia low. So I'm a genius because I'm buying up to like getting 100 pips here. Wow, I'm so good. Like, fuck you. Oh, just move gold. Go to all-time high or go down to 4,000 so I can make money. Fucking bullshit. I'm sorry, guys, but like, I'm a nice guy, okay? I'm generally a nice guy, but I hate these ranges because we're getting nothing. I'm a very patient guy as well. You know how patient I can be, but this is just like, see, now we are playing on top of the buy zone, right? Got to get my loss back in now profit. Valid crash out. Valid crash out. Cree. But well, now you're at the buy zone, right? You know, you can buy up to the midpoint, right? You can buy up to 60, and then you can buy up to 71, and then you can sell down again, man. Stopped out in profits. you stopped out. We bought at 43, so your BE should be 44. Should be fine. Profit is profit. Suck my fat one. Suck my fat one. Okay, so guys, let me be totally transparent with you, okay, guys? I'm a very, very patient guy. I can wait days, weeks, months for the proper move. But when you are sitting live and you have a VIP stream and you need to perform, you need to show something, you need to make some copy trading, you need to, you know, show something on Twitch, show something on VIP, you need to get people profit, then this is just really, really annoying for a long-term positioning trader, a swing trader, and a more than day trader. For a day trader, for a scalper, this is paradise. You sell here, you buy here, you sell here, you buy here, you sell here. You buy here, you sell here, and guess what? We bought here. Am I a genius? No, absolutely not. I just waited for this, and we got this, and now we're buying. And now we're going up. Now we're reaching the midpoint. The midpoint is just here, right? So if we hit 60, we break above 60, then your next point is here, 71. Okay, that will be your TB2. And then what you can do, you can trail a stop loss just below the buy point, and then you can sell down to the buy point again. I lifted higher. Don't you think we could take out London, Asia out first? We did. We did, bro. Because everything is so close. It is. This here, that was your London low. And this here was your Asia low. Boom, taken out. We even took out this low from yesterday. Now price is just moving up again. But then you look at the hourly and you'll be like, oh, we're just ranging again. Oh, hello. I cannot swing trade. Hello, I cannot do long-term trading. Hello, we barely gonna move 200 pips. We're probably just gonna come back up here to 71 and we're gonna go down again. Ooh, trading is so hard. My pussy is hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, I can't, guys. I'm gonna have a mental breakdown. I just want 3,000 pips. Is that so much to ask for? Like, I got it on the sell here when we came down to 4,000. 4,400. That was beautiful. Like this one here. That was beautiful. That was something, like at least like 18%, right? From the top, about you know, 20%, 21%. If you take the total from, you know, when we were all-time highs, 30%, but then it came up, ranged up a little bit, and then, you know, 20%. And then if you look at the monthly, well, it's only 10%. It's only 10%. In January, we only went up 10%. So we didn't even crash. There was no crash. There was no correction. Just liquidity. CME margin, boom. CME margin. Hey, yo, guys, you know what? Let's get all these traders to lose all their money. How about we will raise the margin? Ha 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 ha. Okay, nice. Great. I started not raise lower the margin. Can you check Coco Ice future price and give your opinion? For scalping today? Yes, definitely, bro. Yes, definitely. Now it's pretty obvious, right? Coco, are you investing in hot chocolate, bro? This one? This one? We're at the buy zone right now. You came down below the buy zone. And then, you know, the midpoint right here. 3,770. You can buy from here, take it up to here. And potentially also take it up to here, and then you can sell it down again. That's for scalping. For day trading, you are at the bottom here right now, 4 hour. Oh, daily. Holy shit. What on earth? Okay. Damn, boy. You are back down to previous all-time high. This was your previous all-time high. Then you had a wick down here. You came down. You created some support here. You broke that and you broke into all-time highs. So look at that. If you go here and look here, you can see here. This is your hot chocolate, bro. Right there. Right there. Anywhere here, anywhere near here, if it lines up with the MA, would be interesting. Let's see. Weekly. Monthly. Yeah. So you're literally, bro, you're at a monthly low. You are at a monthly breakout from the all-time high. So if you buy here between 3,366, 3,739, you can take it up to this EMA, to this fair value gap here, and get some liquidity here. 4,581, or this previous order block here that went into the breakout. This would be your first resistance, right? So you can take literally here. Oscar, this is a good buying opportunity. I'm not gonna lie. This is very interesting. From a long-term perspective, you can hold this from the previous all-time high up to this point. That's why I wanted to ask you. Yeah, very good, man, very good. And also, you know what? You got the head and shoulders pattern. Look at that, shoulder, head, shoulder, and you broke down. You broke the trend line. You came down. You created that previous support, now turning into resistance. Now you're gonna create some support. You're waiting for those wicks to create wiggle fill liquidity coming up here to the previous resistance. Really nice. Really nice. This is a very good setup, bro. I don't think my broker has that has that system or that investment, but yeah, for sure you can look at it. Okay, guys, we broke 63, so you can trail your stop loss up to 46, just below this wick here. Now probably holding this support here. Okay, there you go. And now you can take it up to 71. If we take out 71, you can look for 83. When we take out 83, we can sell it down. I think so. Could do options on it. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Okay, guys. I'm sorry about my negativity, okay? I'm a swing trader. I'm a long positioning trader. I'm not a day trader. I'm not a scalper, okay? So these movements here, it pisses me off a little bit. I'm a very patient guy normally, but it's just, you know, I've not been making money in the market for a week because we're not moving anywhere. It's a little bit, you know, it's a little bit annoying. It's okay, man. You're human. What do you mean? Anyway, guys, let's get back in the mood again. Let's get it. Okay, are we back? Are we back? Are we back, guys? Are we back? Are we back, guys? Are we back? Let's go. 72. It's the wife, bro. Yeah, definitely. 100% is the wife. She was coming to me saying like, why haven't you made money for a week? I want my Gucci back. Where is my Gucci back? Oh, good to see you guys. I hope you're doing well. My name is Xauusd. Welcome to the trading live stream here. We're doing scalping because the market is not moving for shit. We got the unemployment claims. We got the NFP report yesterday. It was very bullish for USD, but gold still didn't move down. We're just ranging. We're waiting for the CPI report tomorrow. So what did we do? We waited for the Asia low and the London low to be taken out, and we took a buy. We are running here now 43 to 66. So that's is that 200 pips? That's yeah, about 200 pips, 200 plus pips. There we go. And now we're moving up towards the sell zone. Okay, so here at 70, guys, no, 69, sorry, 69 is a good number. We love 69. So at 69, guys, you can start taking some more partial. Okay, once we tap 69, you can take some more partial. All right. Can we go to 5,100? Of course, we can take the liquidity of 5,100 again. But I don't think we're gonna move before CPI tomorrow. CPI should be better to go up. Hopefully not. I just want, bro, I honestly just want gold to go down so that we can buy up, you know? I would like to purchase gold at these levels. 4,100, 3,900, 3,500, okay? If we can come down here, I'm gonna be a buyer. I'm gonna get back to being a buyer, okay, guys? But right now, I'm a seller. I'm a seller. You hope for more inflation so we can dump? I don't hope for anything, man, other than the gold price to go down. I don't care what catalyst it is. I don't care who pissed in whose coffee, or if people are you know, struggling, or people are doing great, or people are having depression, or people are being happy. It's the same cycle always. The same thing again. 19, 20, 27, 28, 29, right? 2007, 2008, 2009. Now here, 2025, 2026, probably 2027, right? It's the same thing, same repeated cycle over and over again. People, okay, it's very simple, guys. Here it is. Okay, from a professional trader, here it is, guys. Okay. Let's say something that everybody can relate to. Chocolate. Yes, chocolate. We love chocolate. Okay, great. I have chocolate. I want more chocolate. How do I get more chocolate? I borrow chocolate from the bank. Okay, what are the banks gonna do? They're gonna give me an interest rate. Okay, who is gonna determine that interest rate? Well, the Fed is. Who is Fed? That is Jerome Powell and now Kevin Walsh. Okay, good. So, interest rate is going up and down based on how the economy is going and how the inflation is going. Great. We need more people. We need more to work for us. So the unemployment claims is going to go up or it's going to go down. We need more people to work. We need more investments. We need more new things to be created. We need the you know, the next flying you know, plate. We need the next invention. We need the next Einstein. So we create something. We create a vacuum cleaner. We create computer. We create the, you know, the wagon, right? The horse wagon, right? We create cars, everything. And what do we need? In order to do that, we need money. Okay, so how do we get money? Well, we take more loans. Okay, great. So we loan more money. What does that do? Well, prices goes up. Okay, prices goes up. What happens when prices goes up? Well, you need more money to afford that. How can we do that? Well, let's do what we always do. We're gonna lower or you know, higher the interest rate. Great. So now we can borrow more money. Great. So we borrow more money. Hey, great. So we can make more businesses. Yes, I love that. Let's make more businesses. What does that do? Well, that does so the money goes up and down. Like, it's the same thing over and over and over and over again, and it never ends. And the thing is, we are at the edge now. We're at the edge where currency doesn't matter anymore, and we're entering a new era. Okay, guys, take partial here. Partial here, please. Partial here. We're entering a new era where the currency is getting weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker, right? The USD is gonna fall over. We have more and more debt. We owe so much money because the government is just printing more and more dollars. It's printing more and more dollars. How is it gonna affect the rest of the world? Well, it affects EU because we have a lot of products, we have a lot of services, we have a lot of import and export with USA. Same thing with Asia. Same thing with Australia, right? Same thing with the UK, right? All of these imports, exports, boom, 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 boom. More borrowing money, more businesses. Everything goes up. So S&P 500 goes up, right? The Nasdaq goes up. The DJ30 is now at 50,000. Everything goes up. So people think, oh, it's going to continue going up. But suddenly we are at this bubble where it's about to burst. One day it bursts, everything goes down. What's going to happen? The Great Depression. Same thing we had back in 1929, 28, 27, right? Everyone is going to, you know, lose all their money. What's going to happen? Everybody's going to lose their jobs. What's going to that do? You know, well, unemployment claims. Going to have so much in unemployment claims. The highest we had was 24%. Back then, 100 years ago, right? 24%. So what's going to happen? We're going to have about 24% again. And then, you know, over and over the same cycle again. We're gonna create new inventions. Right now, people think AI, but at some point, people are gonna figure out that AI is actually not that great. It doesn't even know how to draw a, you know, a monkey properly, right? It can't even draw like properly. When you ask ChatGPT about something, it's always gonna give you these like very, very, you know, happy go lucky moments, and you know, say like, oh yeah, of course you can do this, of course you can do that, of course you can do this. So at some point we are going to realize, oh, maybe AS is not really that price, it's not really that valuable, so maybe we shouldn't buy this. So people start selling, and what does that do? There's panic selling, so we sell more, and everything's gonna go down, right? That's the thing. Right now gold is shiny. It's a like safe haven. It's very valuable because, you know, the government can control it, right? But then again, they can't, because they get the banks and the hedge funds to manipulate the market, right? So it's just, can the government control it? Can they really control it? Not really, but then again, they can. And then Bitcoin, we're like, oh, Bitcoin can't be controlled by the government, right? No, not yet, but it will. Once Bitcoin goes to 200,000, then the government can control that. So overall, guys, what should you do? You should invest into gold. You should invest into silver. You should invest into Bitcoin. You should invest to everything that the government can control, right? For now. Once they start controlling these things, then we have another situation, right? But for now, this is the safest bet you can do, because the US dollar is just gonna roll over and fall down slowly, and it's gonna become less and less valuable over time, and they're gonna just print more. Something you can just print more of, that just means it's not valuable, because it's infinite, right? It's unlimited. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, I'm rambling about all the things that's wrong with this world. Sorry about that. Okay, guys. Did you get some profit here? Did you get some profit? See, this is proof. If you have a good RR, trading is doable greatly. First trade we lost. Now this trade made double the loss. This is why I love Obits. Hey, thank you, Sora. Thank you. Let's delete this. But guys, do you think that AI is overrated? Because I really think so. I really think that we see all these prices rising because we think that AI is so valuable and there is so much money to be made in it. But someday we're gonna realize, oh, it's actually not that great again. I mean, it's great, but it's not that great, and it's definitely not as great as we put, you know, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq and all the stocks up to at the moment, right? Then it's gonna sell off. Of course, we're gonna see a drop. Yeah, we're gonna see an exponential drop, big drop. I want 60% drop. Guys, when we get 60% drop on everything, I'm gonna buy everything, okay? When we see gold at 2,000, when we see gold when we see silver at $30, when we see Bitcoin at $35, I'm gonna be all in. Right now, I start to get into Bitcoin again because we hit my buy zone here at the 64. We went down to 60, I think. Yeah, we went down to 60. I bought here at 64. Now, if we take another dip, I'm gonna buy at 35. That's gonna be the cycle, and it's gonna make sense. So this is the weekly order block. Let's just remove this. Expecting price to come down. Tag my line here. Once we come down into this point at 35, I'm gonna buy so much Bitcoin. You have no idea. Once I see gold at 2077, I'm gonna buy so much gold, you have no idea. And silver, once I see silver back at 41 or 47, I'm gonna buy so much silver as well. So yeah, that's it. So I'm just long term, I'm just buying, but of course I'm selling down to buy up, right? Okay. So yeah, guys, you can trail your stop loss to 48 now. Trail your stop loss to 48. Let's see here if midpoint is gonna hold. We can sell gold at 71 if it comes up there. If we get a good break above there, coming back down. Okay. So now it looks like this. Let's see. Let's see. If we can come up there. Once they create the digital euro, for example, and remove the physical money, they can control you as much as they want. You want to buy gold? They can and will decline the process. Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, change the channel. You want it in blue, right? You want it banned in blue. Yes. Let's see here. Blue. 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 There you go. Maybe we should have the borders red, so it's easy to see.
Get shit on, brother.
There we go. All right. There you go. Is it better for you, man? Better for you? Is that better for you? Abo? If you ask AI sometimes only about pricing in gold, it even gets the price wrong sometimes. Yeah, I was actually asking like because I was like curious. I wanted to ask AI like, hey, is it good to buy from this? And then of course because I think it's good to buy from this, and I say like, oh, because of this and this and this indication and this fair value gap, this order block and everything, I think it's a good level. And then it's just like, oh yeah, I agree, this is a good level, and it comes down and it hits the stop loss, right? So it's just, you know, like. AI is overrated. AI is 100% overrated. It's great, but it's not great, and it's not the greatest thing ever. And that's why I think it's looked at much higher price than actually what it's worth. Supply and demand is not living up to its standard. So I think it's gonna dump. It's just a matter of time. Iono as dev is pretty crazy to see some stuff it can do. Oh, it's an ad. Okay. I love these explanations. That's great. You also seen 3 miles. You also seen that, you know, your copy trading haven't really moved much these past days, right? I've taken a little bit of profit, but I've opened a little bit more buys and sells and stuff. But you're not really moving anywhere, right? I actually texted you on Discord because you asked a question, so I texted you, but you never replied. So I guess you don't see messages on Discord. Or maybe people are just very aware that there are many scammers out there now who's pretending to be me. But guys, if you receive a message from me, I rarely do it. But if I do it, you can check like, is that my real tag? Is that the real future opus, right? But yeah, I don't really reach out to you personally. But if you ask a question, then I would DM you directly if it's something that I can't just put in the Discord. So yeah. Okay guys, we're almost at the sell. Remember, if you have a lot of buys here, you can keep some of the buys just in case we're gonna come up to 5,100. But you are risk-free. You have taken partial. We did hit TP1. Our TP2 is gonna be 70. Right here. 70, yep. So let's see if we can break it. But yeah, a lot of consolidation. But yeah, in these times, guys, if it's really difficult for you to trade, and you find it much more comforting that I'm guiding you, well, there are multiple options. Well, there's VIP, which is obviously not free, but then there's copy trading, which is absolutely free. And every single trade that I take on my own account will be copied towards your account. And the only thing we're doing is that we're doing profit split, right? So you get 60.5%, and I get 39.5%. So if I make $100, you get $60.5 of that $100, right? So that's the thing. That's the thing. We also have boot camp. Some people have been attending it. Some people have gotten the material. People on different levels. So I had to make many different edits for boot camps as well. So there's something for everyone. So yeah. Let's see here, guys. Boom. There we go. TP2. Right there. So now you have 200 pips. 270 pips. We do it. 270 plus pips. Okay, guys. So are we getting ready for a sell? Well, I just want to see here. Is 5 minutes gonna close below the sell zone now, or is it gonna go straight through? So I just need to see here. The previous candle came up, topped here. Then the next candle came down, topped here. Then the next candle opened exactly at the same time here, and then came down again. And now we're going up here. So I'm expecting price to come up above 77, and then maybe go down from there, right? Unless we're starting to create higher lows. We're starting to create lower low, lower high. Let's see here. It's there now. It's there now. 71. I want to see, does this 5 close bullish above it, or is it gonna close below it? Okay. So guys, you can trail your stop loss for the buy here up to just below the buy zone here at 49. Okay. So you're risk free here. You're holding this buy, and then you can get ready for the sell. Okay. Are some of you guys still in the buy? And are you ready for the sell? Grab my sell zone. EMAs are trying to hold up. EMAs are trying to hold up. It'll be interesting to see if they manage to do that. Here. 3 minutes just closed bullish here. 5 minute haven't closed yet. 30 minute came up here again. 8 minute, 15 minute. See?
You're never here when my tears dry. You're never around to see me thrive. When it's my birthday or my day off, you got other plans and can't show up. But when life does me a hand, all of a sudden
I honestly think that
you're the first to come.
most people would just like come here and be more active, like if I just started scalping every single day. But like, oh, I can't take it, guys. I can't take it. I'm not a scalper. But yeah, you got a scalp here, and now let's see if we can get a sell scalp as well. I genuinely believe that, you know, I would grow my viewer base and my community if I started doing scalping, because this is what people love to do. This is what people love to do. But can you guys explain to me why you like scalping that much? Why do you like a 100 pip, 200 pip, 300 pip move rather than having a 1000 pip move that's gonna go to all-time highs, or a 1000 pip move that's gonna have a correction to a Fibonacci level? I'm curious. I want to understand. Imran, I just replied to you. I'm live, so I can't do it myself, but my team will take care of you. Opus, I think your trading style thrives with these consolidations. You think so? Sorry, I have my notifications off. I will check it out. Yes, I saw it wasn't moving, but I understood you are a longer trader. I just wish I could see what you were aiming for in the trades. For instance, TP and stop loss, because I used to be a scalper and it's hard to understand without knowing where you are trying to go. 3 miles. If you if you want to know the secrets to my trading, you either have to, you know, purchase the bootcamp, join the VIP, or, you know, have a one-on-one session, right? I cannot just tell you like what I tell Mike, for example. Mike, he knows everything that I do. He knows what kind of trader I am, how like I'm trading, how I'm seeing the market, everything that I'm looking for. And he's slowly learning and trying to, you know, adjust his trading style to take some of what I'm teaching him and then, you know, putting it together so he can make his own strategy, right? And I truly believe in a very short amount of time, Mike can just trade on his own. And whether it's scalping, long-term trading, or what it is, and that's what people get from me, right? They don't necessarily accept or agree with the way I trade, but they understand long-term that they can use it to find their own trading style because they learn so much from my 14, 15 years of experience. So, bro, can I get a little? Yup. How sure are you of this sell? Well, you are consolidating. So why would I try to look for breakouts? It's gonna break out tomorrow or tonight. Not now. We're waiting for CPI. Sell from 74? Yeah, we can sell from 74. So 5 close below. Respecting so far, but I would like to see a low off top here. I could just sold for my sell zone. Don't have patience, lol. Because it seems like more likely to hit TP. Fast money. Low account. Wouldn't you pay a lot of swaps for holding long term? Yeah, but what does it matter if you're moving $1,000? Like, okay, I can tell you. Okay, so I've been holding. Okay, let's see here. Where is it? Kaika. Yeah, we came down to 39, right? And then earlier you came down to 47. The day before that we came down to 46, correct? Here we came down 43, 39, 37, and 19, right? But we haven't been down below 19 since Tuesday last week. So this trade here, I've been holding that for a week, right? Look, the swap. This is for copy trading, guys. Look at this. Look at the swap. $3.72. That's my swap for holding a week. Do I care about that when I'm up $50? $60? Why do I care about that? And when this goes to where I want it to go, it's going to be hundreds of dollars. So I've been holding this trade for almost 2 weeks and got a swap fee of $3.72. I don't care. The only reason you should care about swap fees is when you have a lot of lot size. My swap when I hold from Friday to Monday gets to $9. Get a new broker, bro. The only broker I trust is my broker. It's the only broker I trust, and I've been with them for many, many years. I've tried almost all brokers. I don't trust anyone else than them. For me, when you are a scalper, maybe swaps doesn't really matter to you because you're not holding either way. But when you're a long-term trader, you need to hold. And when you hold, you need to pay swap fees. So if your swap fee is too high, not gonna work out. I don't pay commission for taking trades. I don't pay really many. I don't really pay a lot of swap fees for holding trades. My spread is okay. It's 0.3. So that means, let's say we take a trade from 70, then my entry would actually be 7.3, right? So this would be the spread. So my spread is not ginormous or anything like that. If you want to scalp, you want to have a very tight spread, but then you're going to pay commission. So for me, I'm just long-term trader. And I get there was a guy before. He said, was it you said that fast money with scalping? How is it fast money to win a trade, then win a trade, then lose a trade, then lose a trade, and then win a trade, and then lose a trade, and then win a trade? So your profit is gonna go like this. You might be on $100 or $1,000. Let's say $1,000. So you're gonna go up to $1,020 because you're scalping, so you're not taking a lot of pips. You're probably not taking a lot of lot size. Okay, good. So you're $20 up. Nice. Then you lose a trade. Then you're down to $110. Great. Still in profit. Awesome. Then you come up in $1,030. Amazing. Then you lose everything. Go back to $990. Okay, great. Then you win a trade. You're back up to $1,010. You know what I mean? Instead, what I do, I just buy gold at 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and then I hold for a year or two. I make $1 million, and then I don't trade for 3 months. You know? Like, if gold goes to 2,000, I'm just gonna buy 10 lots. Gonna hold for 1 year, 2 years. Gonna make $1 million. I don't care. Like, literally, like, I don't want to be in this. I don't want to be trapped inside this. I just took this buy with you guys, and now we can take a sell, then we can take a buy again, then we can take a sell again. But at some point, it's going to hit your stop loss, and then you're going to go a little bit back. And then you're going to go in and you win. And then you're going to go a little bit back. And then you're going to go. It's like, I just want to buy gold. I just want to buy gold, guys. Just hold 1 year, 2 years, and make $1 million. That's it. I bought gold when we were at $1,800 and $1,900. Took it up to $2,700, $3,500. Then I got in again at $3,000. Took it up to $4,000, $4,500. Then I got in for sales for $4,000 down to $3,000. And then I got in for $3,000 to $5,000. And then I got in for sales from $5,000 to $4,000. And now I'm getting in for buys again at $4,000 up to $6,000, right? For me, it's just, you know, it's just easier. Just buy. Just buy, sell down to buy up. That's it. I only sell to buy up. I never hold sells. Never hold sells. Only hold buys. Anyway, let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Get into it. So, once we come up above the buy zone here, I would like to see a little bit of sweep here. And then we probably can take the sell down. We are still in the fair value gap here. We're in this 15-minute fair value gap right here. Boom, we tapped it again. And we are now on the third wick here of rejection. But you are creating this sort of, you know, kind of support platform here. So you are like creating a new support here. So you should come up above here. Once you come up above it, then you should enter the sell zone again, right? And if we look at this, if we look how we did here, well, price came down, took out the London low and the Asia low, right? And then it went up again. So here you could expect price to come up and take out the London high or the New York high, right? So the London high, because this was not the New York session. This was 3 minutes before New York session. So we can't consider this as a New York high. But this was the New York high, right? This happened 15 minutes after. So we can expect price to come up here, take out the New York session, and then once we see the confirmation to sell down, then we sell down, right? Okay. So I'm waiting for 5,077. If we come up with a 5-minute engulfing candle and then we come down again, that's when you can start to, you know. But don't take out your buy, right? Don't close your buy. Just because you're going up to sell zone, remember what I said. I only sell down to buy up. Always. I do not close my buys. I just take partial on the way. Okay. We're up here at 74 now. We're approaching the 77. We got that support. Coming up to take out the order block. Can close above here. Then you have your confirmation for a little bit of a sweep. Alright. So now we are scalping, guys. We're literally I'm sitting here scalping with you. Hallelujah, baby. Hallelujah. Okay, guys. So we're not in sales yet. We're not in sales yet. How much drawdown do you have on your copy trading account? Right now? I can show you. Not much. This is the center account, for example. You can see. It's up $45 and it's down $5. So, not really anything. $40 in profit so far. Okay. Okay, we need that 3-minute closure above. If we come straight down, we can sell it down. Tapped into there. Yeah, there it is. Let's see. 5 gonna close below bullish. Sorry, bearish. What's the spread on your broker? 0.3, 0.4. Depending on, you know, market conditions and news. Doesn't move a lot. Also here to trade, not to be investors. I'm investor, bro. I'm investor. And I think I will make 90% more money than 99% traders in the world by just buying and holding. But I will make much more faster money than people who invest in stocks, for example. Because people who invest in stock, they just buy and then hold. But I capitalize on those buys, and I will make more money on holding gold from 2,000 that will go to 6,000 or 7,000 in just a span of a few months, rather than holding for years in stocks. That's just my opinion. Why you don't have the buy that you just took on your account? I don't understand. Because I'm not trading on the copy trading account right now. Copy trading, Twitch stream, VIP stream is free. Completely different things. Completely different things. For buy, are we looking for sell? See? I separated, guys. I separated. Let's see. Okay, 5 got rejected. 5 got rejected. Let's see here.
Thinking of reasons to make it all be alright.
10 more minutes for the hourly closure.
I'm thinking about old times.
Okay.
I've waited so long
What is the gold price you want to buy and hold for long term? I have multiple, bro. I have multiple levels. Here. I have 4,168, which is the previous all-time high. We tapped it one time here, 4,400, but we did not come all the way down into it. So I'm expecting price to come down and take out this low here, and then consolidate here, and then find this low here. So 5,170.68 up to 4,300. And the next one would be the previous all-time high from there, which is going to be the 3,498 to 3,510. Something like this, 52. And then the final one here for now would be 2,900, right? 2,970 to 3,010. Those are the levels I'm looking at, and then you have, you know, the first all-time high here, right? Where you tap 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be the massive one. So here I would put, here I would probably put 1 lot. Here I would put 3 lots, and here I put 5 lots, right? So a total of 9 lots. And then I will hold this for, I think it can take months now. Before it took years. Now it only takes months. Hold it for a few months. Then I will close this one in profit. And then I will hold for more. Close this one in profit. And then I will close partial slowly on the 5 lot here, right? And then while I do that, I take, you know, intraday trading with, you know, 0.01, 0.03, 0.05, 0.1. Not lots, just normal, you know? So about 10 lots, that's usually what I do. But I'm not seeing a correction before we get a 60% correction on gold. It was not a correction we had the other day. It was not a correction. It was just a retest. Because at the end, we still came up 10% on the month. Crazy. January still closed 10% after we went down 30%. Okay, guys, we are here. 5 minutes just closed above the sell zone. So no sells yet. Simply waiting for that 77. See that? Right there. Are you in a trade? Just joined now. Seems like I can still get in. Yeah, I will sell. Bro, I will sell if we can come up and top 77. Which is the previous... the London and New York high. But right now we closed above my sell zone. So I want to see if we're going to be rejected here, or if we should take it down here again. There's a 15-minute fair value gap down here as well now. So see. Okay. Okay. See. We did not come up to the London high yet. We are at the sell zone, so you can sell, but it's just a matter of where will you put your stop loss, right? Where will you put your stop loss? What's the minimum deposit amount of your broker? Try to search and it isn't showing right away. $50, I think. I think $50 is the lowest. Maybe $30 depending on your country. But Sabalon, we are taking scalping, so you don't have to be an investor today. You can just trade. And usually on Twitch, I do take day trading and intraday trading. It's just VIP and for my own long-term holding that I take, you know, long-term, right? All right, let's see here. So much women singing pop right now. I don't know. Yeah, having both is key. Yep. Exactly, my friend. Alright, guys, we can try it out. We can try it out. We can try it out. If we close bearish below here, we can take the sell. Okay? But I need to see the hourly close first. I need to see the hourly close first. But 4 minutes. The hourly might spike up to that London high, as we talked about, right? So, if you have followed me at 100%, then you are in the buys from a buy zone, and you have trail stop loss to 49, and you are about to enter for a sell for a scalp, right? Okay, now we're even consolidating on the 3 minute. Holy. That's interesting. 3 minutes, guys, until the hourly closure. I don't know. The sell is so much risk. Why is it so much risk, Abu? You really expect this to move before CPI tomorrow? You honestly believe we're gonna move on before CPI tomorrow? What is CPI? Consumer Price Index. Tomorrow. CPI, core CPI. Tomorrow. It's a news event, bro. The market is driven by news, by geopolitical tension, not technical analysis. In order for you to trade, you need to understand TA plus FA plus SA. Technical, fundamental, plus sentiment. But most people are just trading based off this because they think they're gurus, because they think they know how the market is moving, and because they believe that a trend line can hold their buys or sells. It can, doing scalping areas, doing consolidation like this, but doing breakouts, doing higher reversals, doing unexpected events, no, it doesn't give a flying fuck about your trend line. Only on long term, only on high time frame. Okay, guys, 2 minutes until the hourly closure. Coming down into the 50-minute value gap, right there. Boom. Tapped it. Let's see. Gonna get a rejection. Gonna get a reaction. Tapping the midpoint, 50-minute value gap. And the hourly just closed. The hourly closed with a rejection to the upside. KKKKK. So let's see if we're gonna come above the midpoint again, or are we gonna come up to the sell zone again. Come down to the buy zone again, we can buy again. We can literally buy again. Let's see here. From the high to the low. 0.618 level right there. 78 level right there. 56. Can we come down here to 56? I think at least London High. London High was 30 pips away from where you were at, so you could just have gotten in for sell if you were for it. $15 close below there. Let's see. Okay. Oh, 5 p.m. Crazy. Time flies so fast. Let's see. We can tap. Do we create a higher high here? No, not really. Only at the lower time frame. Nope, just consolidating. Consolidating more. Okay, guys, I think we can get in for another buy, I guess. Just wanted to come down and tap 56. I think I will enter for another buy if we come down here. I'm gonna have a buy limit here at 56. Stop loss. Down there again. 49, I guess. So just small. Oh, just small. This is like 70 pips. So 63 would be 70 pips as well. And then, you know, that London high, right? Let's see. Doesn't come down to the 0.618 level. Oh, that's a good buying signal right there. Doji plus rejection. Okay. Oh, that was wonderful. I wish I have seen that on the 3 minute. Are we gonna have another chance to sell it down then? We were at my sell zone here, but I didn't want to sell because the hourly close haven't happened yet. But now you got this. Now you got this. So either from the London high, guys, or from the 0.618 low. That's my take on it. Is London not 83? 83? Oh, you mean 15 minutes before New York? Yeah. That's what we talked about. It 15 minutes before New York opened, and then 50. Yeah, the thing is, 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes before New York session opened, London came up to 83. You're right. 3 minutes before, but it's almost New York, like 3 minutes. So you're right. Yeah, technically this is London high. But I think 77 would be enough. I even think the sell zone would be enough, to be honest. Let's see, guys. Okay, you ready? You ready? And remember, if it comes down and breaks, then we are not gonna chase it. We're not gonna chase it. Ready? $56 right there. You ready? Ready, guys? And activate it. Activate it, guys. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. It's 70 pips. So it won't do anything to your 270 pips you got from the buy. And if you're still in the buy, you still have your BE here. So, yep. All right. You in? You in the trade? Guys? In the trade? Anyone in the trade? So we're in. We're in now. And 63 would be your first TP. So 63 is right here. That's 63 right there. Let's see. Came down into the order block. Let's see. Your buy zone right there. Tap 51 again. Tapped into the buy zone. Let's see. Remember, we have the stop loss tied there. Because if we come down once more, we're gonna take out this low here again, and then it's gonna be the same thing again. So I'm not really interested in that. If it's just ranging, it should go up from here. Tapping buy zone again. Yeah, we're gonna survive here. And out. Okay. Alright. So I guess we're coming down to sweep out the low here instead. So that was a really, really good sell from the sell zone. So I don't know if anybody got in there. I didn't get in because we didn't tap the London high. But let's see here. That's why we keep the stop loss tight for the scalps. So let's see here if price is gonna come down to sweep this now. So if you were in the buy here, you will hit the BE now from before. So we're out of all trades. So we got 270 pips from the first trade, and then we lost just 70 pips here. So we got a total of 200 pips so far. Let's see. Down to 42 again. Let's see if we can sweep this. There we go, 35. And boom. Okay. Let's see. Finally some movement. Are we actually coming down? Do you see how it perfectly hit my cell zone there? Nice. Okay, so VIP is running here. 100 plus pips. Nice. Taking yesterday's London low? Yeah. Great. You're in profit. People who is in my VIP now. Boom. Boom. 250 plus pips. Take partial, close some trades, and let the rest run. Think it's happening now? It might be happening now. What did we talk about, Mike, if you're still here? Boom! There we go. So guys, you are obviously not in VIP, so you didn't get this, but do you remember if you were here earlier, I had a sell stop at 35. Did anybody remember I said I had a sell stop at 35? Why? Because this is below the range. Here we go. It's happening. Finally, we're moving. I thought it would happen for CPI tomorrow, man. Let's go. Woohoo. Okay. Can I get you guys in? Can I get you in? Can I get you guys in? Okay, how is this possible? Can I get you guys in? Can I get you guys in? Let's see. I told at the beginning, yeah, but bro, nobody knows if it's gonna go do it for CPI or if it's gonna happen today. So now we have a sell. If you are in VIP, yeah, you are in sell, yeah. 400 pips. VIP, you're moving 400 pips, 500 pips, 35. 25, 15, 300, 400, 500 pips. Let's go. Okay. Now your copy trading is moving. There we go. $111. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Here, guys, copy trading. Look at this. Boom. Get it? Finally! Oh my god, I was waiting for this. Okay, so how do I get you guys in for a sell? Finally. Jesus Christ, it took so much time. Getting old. Where's this one? Alright, 49. Let's see. How can I get you guys in? So this is the first. That's the first support right there. That's the first support right there. So if I want to get you guys in, where should I get you in? Sell zone is now at 47, 5,047. Retest. I'm trying, guys. This is gonna be the dump. This is what I've been talking about for days. Mike, are you here? Do you see this? How can I get you in? I can get you in. I guess I can get you in. Where can I get you in? Five. Guys, let's try a small... Okay, no. Yeah, it's too late. Too late, I think. Yeah, let's try a small sell here. Let's try a small sell here, guys. 48 to 50, okay? 48 to 50. Let's see if it comes back up again. Or if it just continues down. I'll just try to get you in here. Just a little bit below here, okay? Trying to get you in. It's really, really difficult because we are already going down. We're already going down, okay? So, here, let me know if you're in. Stop loss is just above. Gonna be 68, I guess. TP1 is gonna be 4,031. TP2 is gonna be 4,005. Oh, sorry, 4,931, sorry. 4,905. Are you in the sell, guys? Are you in the sell? 4,850, okay? Let's start with this, okay? You start with this, okay? You guys in? You guys in? In the cells? Yes? You got it? Okay, guys, we are moving. There we go. TP1. You got it? TP1 hit. Okay. Well, stop loss is just below entry for risk free trade. Let's see if we can hit 905. Right there. Okay. Almost there. Okay, guys. Here we go. Let's see if we can hit TP2. I'm gonna try to get you in on every single wick, okay? See if we can hit 905. But this is it, guys. This is it. This is what I've been waiting for the whole week. Let's see. Hit. Okay, let's see. Are we gonna respect 30? Or we have another selling opportunity here. Right there. Nice. Made 125 and I'm out looking for re-entry. Good luck with that, bro. Good luck with that. It's gonna move fast, bro. It's gonna move fast. I don't know if you want to enter again at 30. If it respects 30. Let's see. Oh, it might come a little bit up here again, guys. If it comes up again, we have to find another entry here. I'm still okay. Still okay. Tapped 41. Coming down again here. Okay. You can, if you want, you can wait for this to roll over. You can have a sell stop here. You can have a sell stop here, okay? Just below here at 11. You can have a sell stop with tight stop loss just at 30 if you want. I'm personally gonna wait for this to be taken out. Maybe a squeeze incoming. Depends. I mean, if it takes out the high, yeah, of course, then a squeeze could come. It could come. But I honestly think it's just gonna drop, bro. I think it's just gonna dump. I don't think the dump is over. As I said to you, 4,000, 3,900, 3,500. But first we have to get through 4,600. That's the first thing. I'm not even looking at high time frame because I don't care about the high time frame right now. It's just gonna dump. So let's see here. So if this is your wave 1, then your wave 2 would be, I guess, 5,000. But let's see if we can have a retest yet. I think it's just gonna dump again. 3-minute break in here. Yeah. If you didn't get in, guys, you can get in here, put stop loss above here, and take it down here. So you have 2 trades now, okay? Let's see. Okay, guys, we're moving. Moving 60 pips. Let's see. Back again here. Okay. Boom. There we go. Okay. Moving 100 pips. Let me know if you're in the cell. You have 2 cells here now. Let's see. But remember, guys, tie stop loss above here, okay? In case this is a retest. In case this is a retest. I think it's gonna dump again. We got that 3 minute here. Let's see. It has to stay below here. Now we got the wick here. Are we gonna pause a little? Nah, not yet, right? We should tap 5,900, 4,870 before we have a little bit of a move. Or we have a break, I guess. I don't think it's gonna consolidate here, guys. I think it's gonna dump further, but it's trying to hold up just a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. But yeah, keep stop loss just above the wick here. Should be able to get a new one. Let's see. Okay, there we go, guys. Moving. Okay, here we go. Another 100 pips, 200 pips, 23 or let me know entry. 200 pips. First stop loss to just above, below entry for risk trade here. Let's see if we can hold it. The first stop should be 4,890 if it's gonna come. Let's see if we can stay in the trade. I'm trying to get you guys in, but it's difficult. Okay, this is trading on another level. Okay, this is what I do. This is what I do for a living. I just check long-term trades. Okay. Good. So we need to take out 4,900. 4,906. Then you're gonna come straight down to 98. Okay, right there. If you can sweep out this one, then you can still stay inside the trade. Because then your retest would be 4,900. But I think the A wave should be done soon. So we might come up. Yeah, we come up again. Okay, guys. You were risk free. So I hope you're okay. You're okay. Let's see if we're gonna stay in this trade as well. We might have a little bit of a retest at 5,000. Let's see. Came down to 4,900. Did you get some profit? So the A wave is pretty much done. So I think we're gonna have a retest about 5,019 maybe. Any buys after this fall? Yeah, when you come far down. When you come far down, my friend. Not yet. See. Woohoo! Oh, we gonna get it again? Might get it again. Are we gonna dump again? Right after? We're getting a bear flag formation here. Getting bear flag formation. There. Can we continue to dump? We're still in here from this one. Anybody with me? Or you just... I called 5,030. Yeah, but you didn't call 4,900. I was with you, man. I was with you on the sells, but I'm not with you before CPI because usually we wait until CPI. But Thursday is a reversal point, so it could just dump now. Could just dump now. Where did you get your entries? Nervous? What are you nervous about, bro? Okay, dumping further here, guys. If you're still in here, trail stop loss to 44. Okay, 44. Here we go. Ah, so annoying that we just hit that. We hit that BE from that one. You're still in here for this one? Okay, the next level here. Next level, guys, is going to be 4,850. So if you can sweep 47 here. All right. I'm trying to get you in on the wick if I can. I don't think I can. Guys, if you're in here, amazing. If you got hit by BE here, I'm so sorry, man. But it's like, I'm trying. TP hit. I'm out. Which TP? Which TP, bro? TP2 hit. Okay. So there you go. What is that? That is 905. 905. That's 500 pips. 500 pips. Ah, for 430 pips. 430 pips.
Get shit on, brother.
So 430 pips so far. Just random TB. Got profit. Nice. Hit. Holy mother, brother. Yeah, welcome to the dump, my friend. I'll try to get you in again, okay? I'll try. Okay? So tap 900. Back into the range here. Okay. Let's see. Let's see here, guys. Okay, guys. I will get you in here. Stop loss just tight above here, okay? So, let's see here.
Get shit on, brother.
Okay. Still now, guys. Still now. Let me know your entry. Okay. Let me know entry. 80. 894. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. I'm sorry. I'm really trying, okay? I'm really trying to get you in. If you miss it, I'm so sorry. I'm trying my best, okay? I'm trying my best. Shit, we already hit TB1. This is so difficult, guys. This is so difficult. Yeah, so difficult. It's so difficult. It's so freaking difficult. I'm sorry. Removing 100 pips. Trail your stop loss to just below entry for risk-free trade. Here you go. 4,847. Okay. 4,795. All right. Oh, you risk-free? Risk-free? Are you in the trade? Are you in the trade? This is why I've been here for 4 months, so it's good stuff. You're welcome. You're welcome, Sora. But Sora, why are you not joining the VIP then? Let's see. Let's see. Are we gonna stay in the B? No, we hit B. We hit B. Ah, I can't. The guys who's in here, they're doing okay. They're doing okay. But these people here, difficult. I need to put the...
Get shit
we
on,
already
brother.
tapped into the bear flag. We also tapped into the bear flag. We can have retest here. Once we get the retest, we should break down. What I will do, guys, what I will do is I will have the sell stop here. Okay, I'll have the sell stop at 95. Okay, sell stop at 95. Then you can get in with stop loss just tight above here. But let's see if it flips. When it flips. You guys are still in here from 48. You guys are still in from 48. Okay. Moving up here now. We're still in here. Let's see if it flips. If it doesn't flip, I'll wait for the retest. This is your free minute. 5 is creating a top wake here. We need a top wake on the 5, then I can sell it again. There we go. It's flipping. It's flipping. I think so. See. I'm pushing up. Let's see. Can we tap the 3-minute order block? DMA with me. Okay, we are tapping into the 3-minute. Oh, please don't take you guys out. If it takes you out, I'm in at 5,035, so I'm good. But like, if it takes you out here, guess I could take this one. Tap it again. Guys, what we're gonna do? We're gonna do it one more time, okay? We do it one more time. If price flips now, we're gonna have the sell stops here. Okay? If price flips now, we're gonna have the sell stop. I really, really hope that it's gonna keep you here in the bear flag. If it keeps you in the bear flag, we can come down again. If it doesn't, we have to remove this. Okay, we have to remove it. Coming up again. Good retest. Went to 4,895 and now it's coming up to 50 probably. The question is, are you guys still gonna stay in the trade? Really nice retest, by the way. Okay, we're in the 50-minute Fabry gap here. Okay, if you flip this, I'm gonna sell it again. Okay, so guys, sell stop at 27 with stop loss at 35, okay? If it comes down. If it doesn't come down, nope. I think it's gonna hit our B here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Guys, be ready. Sell stop 27. 4,700, 927. Stop loss just above 35, okay? TB1 is gonna be 4,895. TB2 is gonna be 4,800, okay? Only if it comes down again. Only if it smashes directly down into the sell stop. Okay, 27. Here we go. Let's see. 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 Oops. Here. See, it's a holding level. Okay, it's taken out the level again. My question is, are we still gonna be in this trade? Where's your BE for this trade here, guys? Where's your BE for this trade? $26.6, I guess. Those stops should be below this wick. Below this wick. Ah, 0.4. 0.4. Buys or sells? This is sells, bro. This is sells. If we hold this level and come down. Okay, guys, you ready? Have you set your sell stops? 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 Tight stop loss, okay? Tight stop loss. Alright. Here we go. We're still in here, by the way. We're still in here. We haven't tapped B. We haven't tapped B. We did not tap 50. We tapped 43. See what happens? If it just keeps moving up, then we cannot take it. No. Okay, we hit B on this one. So, I'm not gonna take it. Just delete it. Delete it, guys. We got 400 plus pips. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. We hit TB1 on VIP. We hit TB1 on VIP. We got 1,000 pips. Nice. Running 9. What is that? There's 1,300 pips. There we go. I just updated VIP, guys. We got 1,300 pips. The dump is over. Not as long as we come down below the buy zone. The buy zone now is 30. So if we stay below 30, we can still take sells. I don't think the dump is over, no. Definitely don't think the dump is over. I just think it's retesting. This is your midpoint. And that's your sell zone. Your sell zone is 5,028. Your midpoint is 5,775. Take a little bit of this one. Partial of this one. Trail the stop loss on this one. 5,084. Lol clocked into work and missed the move. It's alright. How many trades today? A lot. A lot. I cannot even count. First we took a buy. Then we tried to take a sell. Then we took a sell. And then we took a sell in the middle. Actually, it's only 3 or 4. But like, if we count VIP, it's a lot. I'm done with that one. So let's see here. Let's just remove this. So now this is your 15-minute family gap right here. And then when you trail it from the high to the low, here, boom, we should come up to 5,005 or 5,040 for a retest. We also have the 4,982, of course. Yeah, that would tip you in here. Let's see. Let's see. So we went above the buy zone. So I'm curious about how this is going to react. Still thinking. We still keep 50. Can we still keep 50 as a sell? Yes. Risky. I think 78 would be the first Real.
Get shit on, brother.
Hello, thank you for the follow. Now in live stream. Hope you're doing well. The sky is falling. Hello, Pinzoned. Yup, we went into... we took self stops at 35. Right there. And then it just plummeted down. Plummeted down. And now... we tapped the 50-minute family gap. Let's see, guys. Might be able to take another one. With tight stop loss above, of course. How much did we go up here? 79 to 69. That's a good one. Nice. Was there any news that caused that? Yeah. There were NFP yesterday, bro. NFP ended really good for USD. So USD was going up, and it was just accumulating to go up. That's why gold went down. You can see here, USD came all the way up here, and now it's slowly going back here again. Now my question is, if we're gonna come down to if we're gonna come down to my level here at 4,655, 4,404, or 4,196. That's my question. So far we are chilling inside this 4-hour Cavalier gap. We filled it and then we started to go a little bit up. So we need to wait for this 4 hours to close. Now at 49 here. Guys, I'm gonna have my sell stop here at 47 with stop loss tight above here, okay? Then we can take another one. Okay? 47. Ah, wait. Yeah, gonna have that one. High stop loss above. And then continue the fall to the downside. Okay? But if it goes up here, then nothing burger. 7 stop loss just above. Goes to 69. TB1 is gonna be 4,905. TB2 is gonna be 4,850. And TB3 is gonna be 4,737. Okay. Selling again. Yes. Selling, my friend. Let's see. Okay, can we activate here? Okay, here we go, guys. Let's see. Let's see if we can hold it. Come down. Right. Here we go. Okay, we're moving. 50 pips. Let's see. 60 pips. Let's see. Target entry. Let's see. See if we can tap the buy zone first here at 30 and then see if it's going to be a rejection to the upside. Okay, guys. Then we're moving 100 pips. 100 plus pips here. And please trail your stop loss to just below entry for risk trade. Take some partial here. Take some partial here. And let's see if we can survive this. Because we are tapping into the buy zone. So if it goes close to my buy zone, then I have to be cautious. Okay? So if you enter at 47, your stop loss should be tied at 46. Alright? Got it? You get some partial? Let's see if we survive. We tap 43. Still in. Okay, and out. There you go. I'm trying to get you in, guys, but it's difficult. Because as soon as we break 50, we might go up to 79. And we might go up to 5007, right? So for now, I'm just trying to get you guys in for some sales and trail the stop loss tight. Let's see. So my next sell would be if we come down to that 27 again. DXY is still tricking up. Yeah. The gold is gonna go far down, bro. Gold is gonna go far down. But it's difficult for people who are not in at 5035 or 5080 or 5090. I'm in at 5090, 5080, 5070, 5035. But people who are trying to get in here, you know, they might be wigged out, right? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So I'm waiting to see if this Fabulous gap is gonna hold the buy zone. Right now it tapped into the 5-minute Fabulous gap. Let's see how it reacts. I'ma follow you. And I thought you already followed me, man. Let's see. So it tapped the buy zone, tapped the 5-minute Fabulous gap, and went up again from 30. So we are ranging between 30 and 50. So the question is if we can hold 50. That's the thing. 40, 50. There we go. Tap 53 here. Oscar, again, I know. I know, bro. Are you seeing what we're doing? We're selling. We're seeing, bro, we're selling. I'm in at 5,090. I am selling. But to get people in here with tight stop loss, it's very difficult. Right? We already took 400 pip move. And VIP got 1,300 move. Like, guys, look at this. I mean... Here. Boom. There you go. Here you go. You see this? Yeah. Sell stop. 5,035. When did I post this? Yesterday. 11th of February. Right? 5,035. 5,035 did not get activated yet. Either we wait for it to be activated or we come far enough up to activate my next sell limit. I have 2 sell limits for you above 5,200. Great. Then I go live for VIP and then boom, it got activated. Tab 35. Xauusd is running 250 pips. Please move stop loss to just below entry for risk-free trade. So now your stop loss is 5,034. Remove take partial. And then boom, we hit TP1. 1,300 pips. Oscar, I know what I'm doing, man. I know what I'm doing. Next sell stop, this is exciting. Yeah, it depends. If we're gonna range now for a little bit, then people are gonna get trapped. What's a pip? Bro, go to babypips.com or join my join a one-on-one session with me, or join the bootcamp so I can explain everything to you about trading. If you don't know what pip is, then go here, learn a little bit, okay? Learn forex, trading, news, analysis. Like, if you're a total beginner, go to babypips.com or join my bootcamp. But like, I'm not gonna sit here and explain like what a pip is now and go back to beginning. I just ended my bootcamp and I have so many beginners who've been learning about trading, and my head is getting a little bit tired of explaining beginner stuff. So sorry, man. But go to babypips.com. Thank you. You're welcome, man. Let's see. 15 minutes started to flip. Can we stay below? Yeah. Alright. Can we break the sell? Can we break the buy zone? We can break the buy zone. The feeling is in this trades is amazing. Yeah, Castro, you're making profit, right? You're not making profit from like scalping. Like, scalping is like 100 pips, 200 pips. Like, it's a nothing burger. This is what drives the market. This is what you make money on. From here, that's making money. That's what makes money, right? Okay. Let's see. We need to get below the buy zone. Yo, need to make a good setup so I can make back the $20 I lost. Didn't you lose $100, Amir? And then you were still not back again? Isn't it 120 you need to make? Or what? You could have made like so much money if you sold with us here. Yeah, bro, I'm always losing. But you're in the copy trading now, right, Mia? You joined the copy trading? Then you just got $400 on yeah, you can see here. Copy trading here. Amir. Here. Running $500, $580. $570. But is that the cheapest one? The cheapest one, let's see. The cheapest one is Sense account. Cheapest one. This doesn't cost anything. It's free, bro. The cheapest one is running $280, and we already sorry, not $cents, and we already closed. Still in the sell stop, Brody. Be careful, Sora. When it breaks up at some point, careful, be careful, be careful. If it wants to retest 5,000, you know how it is. You know how it is. You know how it is. How it is. Goal playing games? Nah. Goal is just accumulating to go more down. You are making a bear flag. A bear flag. Burflack. Burflack. I don't know if I have more for you today, guys. Seems like we're chilling a little bit at the moment. We can try one more time. I guess. I think we're gonna consolidate a little bit before the next move, to be honest. I'm gonna try it one more time, guys. One more time. Sell stop at 47. Stop loss just right above the top wick here we had just had here. And let's see. Okay. Let's see. 5,000 and 4,047. Stop loss just tied above. 27. 37. Okay. 80.95. Let's see. Let's see, guys. If you lose this trade, Amir, you lose $10. But if you win the trade, you can get $100 or more. TB1 is $20, but yeah, if you take out 30, then it can be a lot. Let's see. Can you volume down the background music? Sure. Sure, bro. Is it very loud? I didn't know it was that loud. Nothing yet, guys. Nothing yet. I can make $10 to lose $10. No. You can make $20, you can lose $10, or you can make $60 and you can make $100, and it depends on what TP we're gonna hit. Nothing yet, guys. Nothing yet. Let's see. See if it's gonna respect here. Okay, I guess we need to move stop loss to 59 if it comes down and activates now, because you have a top wick now. We're gonna move TP to 35. We're not in any trades, guys. It's a sell stop. Sell stop is 47, okay? So it's not activated. Where TP for me then? Yeah. I don't know, man. We are right now we're crashing, right? So I cannot really guide you on like a $100 account. I can only tell you that if you take one of these TPs here, that's what you can make. If you take one of these stop losses, that's what you can make, right? If you take TP3 here, for example, you can make $147. Okay, guys, let's see. There we go. We are in the trade. We are moving here. 40 pips. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. 20 pips. Add entry again. Let's see. And remember, we have tight stop loss just above here. See what happens. Moving up again. Back here. If you're holding it, hold the level, or if you're gonna come further up. This will only be like 120 pips, guys. It's nothing compared to what you have won today. Let's see. And this is only if you're gonna break down further, right? Still around the 50 level here. Got us close below 50 for us to hold that level. Still very bearish here. The 1 hour flip is just there. So if you come up above here, it will take us out. Let's see. 55, let's see. We're gonna hit stop loss, or are we gonna still stay below? Tap 56, still in. You have stop loss 59.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, Rob here. Thank you for the follow. Nice live stream. Hope you're doing well. We're currently in a sell here, trying to take the move further down. Gold has been crashing, and I think it's gonna continue. It's just accumulating for going down. It's in a bear flag right now, so it's gonna be exciting to see. Let's see. Okay, 1 minute came up here. If we're gonna hold it, are we gonna hold level? Are we gonna hold the level? Or are we gonna smash up? $55. Okay, here we go. See, still chilling. And we're moving again. It's not because I don't care about small accounts, guys, but it's really difficult for me to navigate people with $100 account on these moves. Because gold is crashing right now, okay? And the idea is for you to get in on the sells, okay? It's for you to take the crash down, get in for the retest, get in for the volatility, right? Green not clear. Okay, let me remove some things for you, so it's a little bit more clear. What about now? It's better now? You can see now, bro? Okay, guys, back at entry again. No, what do you mean screen not clear? What is it that's not clear? What? Here? Better now? What is it you want more clear? This is your stop loss, this is your TP, and here is all the numbers. What do you want? Okay, guys, back at entry. Let's see. Okay, we're moving again. Blurred. Blurred. Ah. Okay, guys, we're moving. 30 pips. Back at entry again. Back at entry again. Okay, guys, we're moving 60 pips. Back at entry again. We're back again, guys. Back at 50 again. Let's see. Are we gonna hold the level now? Or are we gonna go up again?
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, thank you for the follow, Dreyer. Nice to your live stream. Hope you're doing well. Okay, this is it, guys. This is it. Let's see. Gonna hold it, or are we gonna go up? We were down at 39, so we were actually in profit with, I guess, 80 pips. 80 pips. Let's see, 56. And there we go, be out. Okay, so I guess we're gonna come up for a higher retest. Probably something like... let's see, let's remove everything. Now we got a 30-minute fabric gap. So a retest of that 5,000. Out with 12, dang. It is what it is, Amir. Cannot, like... Here. Got a 30-minute fabric gap here. Got a 30-minute fabric gap here. Right now we are testing the EMA here on the hourly. You trade prop firms? No, I don't trade. I don't trade it, but I can provide you with an affiliate link to it if you have low funds. If you have a lot of funds, I would recommend you a live account. But I don't trade prop firms myself because I have cash, so I can trade. I don't need anybody to give me money for the trading. Okay, so we tapped 67. Could be that we have another chance here. Okay, it's still ranging, guys. It's still ranging. Yeah. I'm in the cells from 5,090, 5,080, 5,070, and also the sell stop from 35 with my VIP. So yeah, I expect this to come further down, but we might have a retest of like 5,000, 5,040, something like that, to then come down again. Or it could just tap the midpoint here at 80, or some of these EMAs at 5,000 and then continue down. So expect a lot of sells, guys. I expect gold to come further down, which is accumulating right now. Either accumulating for a retest to go up, or this bear flag is folding out for sells, right? So yeah, that's it for now. Again, guys, if you want to learn everything that I know about trading, you can join the bootcamp. Other than that, we have VIP. Of course, none of this is free, but if you want something for free, then we have copy trading, and we have the Telegram, and we have the Discord, right? So copy trading is 100% free. It's just profit split. You get 60.5%. I get 39.5%. I trade on your behalf, on your account, not directly on your account, but I trade on my own account, and that will be copied towards your account. So right now, we are in on the copy trading from 5,086.1. So yeah, great. That's it, guys. Hopefully tomorrow we will finally have the move. Finally, gold will go somewhere when CPI is out. I'm excited for it. It's gonna be a lovely Friday. Maybe I go live, maybe I don't. Let's see. Thank you, guys, and see you guys. Take care. Have a good one. Bye bye.
Seen anybody do the things you do before.
Oh, they say,
move for me, move for me.